Fortune 500 companies have a deep, dark secret about how they build their wealth. And I want to show it to you because if you're clever, you can actually use it to build your wealth using all of their efforts. Let me show you how. So I'm sure you've seen in the news, Fortune 500 companies like FedEx and Amazon are paying zero in taxes. Are Donald Trump paying $750 total? Here's the funny thing. They're doing this legally. They're writing off things that are necessary for their business. Seems kind of obvious, right? But what if I told you those things could be your car, your kids' education, vacations, the latest iPhone? Pretty clever way to save money, right? Well, I'm going to show you a way that's even more clever than that. And the ironic thing is that it's actually a lot easier because it doesn't require any tax knowledge. You don't need any tax software whatsoever. It doesn't take any upfront investment. You can do it from your home. It doesn't take any staff either. The only catch to this is I can't explain it all on a YouTube ad. So if you click on the upper right-hand corner if you're on a mobile device or the lower left-hand corner if you're on a desktop, I'll tell you how to do it. I'll even show you everything step by step. The only catch is I can't explain it here. And if you're a little bit skeptical, you should be. But there's a bunch of people flashing on the screen who have clicked that same link and have gone to do exactly what you're looking to do right now. Look at those results. Figure out how to do it, click the link, that's it.